how to create a text around a path. Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to create a text around a path. Alright, so let's begin with the video. Create a text around a path such as an ellipse or a circle, and it's actually very easy. Simply create a circle right here, and what we're going to do is we're going to leverage this free plugin which is called toPath. So the moment that you open it up, you're going to be prompted to select two layers, the first one being the text layer and the second one the path. And then at this point, simply click on link and we have the text around the path. Now there are a few different elements and options that you can tweak, such as the vertical alignment, the horizontal alignment, which basically turns the horizontal alignment over here. You can also change the offset and the alignment. And if you also want the characters to follow the curve rotation or reverse the direction of text. So that's basically how you can create a text around a path. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.